Hey guys, welcome again for another great video. Remember, my name is Seal, and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So today I'm here for you, affiliate marketers, and especially for those of you who want to begin in affiliate marketing, but you are wondering, how can I get started? I don't know anything. I don't have any experience, any skill. You may say it's very difficult, very tough. I will not be able to do it. Guess what? This video is here to help you. And the best thing that I really wish you is to get started. Don't ask yourself some question about what you know, what you may not know, what you have, or what you may not have. The best thing you can do for your online business is to just jump in, and I can assure you that inside you will learn a lot and adjust yourself. In fact, you will become better easily and very quickly than you have ever think before. So today I want to give you a system, a great website, a great resource that can help you to get started online. And guess what? It's completely free for you affiliate marketer. With this website, you will be able to do many kind of things. In fact, with this website, you don't have to buy an email marketing software. You don't even need to start with a funnel builder. You even though no need to know copywriting, sell emails, all those kind of stuff, even ads, even the words to put in your Facebook post. In fact, this system is really done for you, and the only thing you really need to do is just to get started and start to take action by promoting this offer. In fact, this offer will allow you to build your email list and also to promote other product that you may find on ClickBanks or other affiliate platforms. But this website, this software is completely free, and you can start using it today. As I used to say, think big but start small. So whatever your budget right now, whatever how much money you may have, if you don't want to spend, if you can spend at the beginning, you don't have to be stopped. Don't allow that to be an excuse, but decide to take action. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen with you and show you what I'm talking about. So let's see that together, guys. So here is the website. The website is called Free Lead System. What is the beauty of this website? I really love that I enrolled myself in it, and I can tell you, with this website, you really don't need an email marketing software, because you know email marketing software is very important as a affiliate marketer, because it allows you to collect emails and send emails to your list. But this website essentially do the same thing, and this website is also an affiliate offer that you can promote in order for you to get more leads. And not just that, you can also promote other offers. So you can see this website has very many trainings here. I told you can have some training. Let's go to the trainings bottom, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Here on the training bottom, you have different resources that you can use right now in order to promote these products. And don't forget, you can also promote other products. I'm going to show you how you can do that. But here, this system allows you to promote it, and it's free. And you know, a lot of people like free stuff. So if you don't have an email marketing software, you can start to build your list today by promoting on your social media, on your maybe on your YouTube channel, on your I don't know if you have a blog, you can start to put it. Let me show you something that you can put. If for example you want to put a text in order to promote this, look at the kind of text is that's already done for you. Let's see, don't wait another moment, get your own affiliate system right now. You know, all these texts are already written for you. You don't have to create something. You can put it on your Facebook. You just copy and paste, you put on your face. You have a lot of, let's see this one, make 277 to 984 weekly with my new push button money get system. And that's it, guys. You don't have to know how to make great titles. It's already done for you. And here I've just shown you this leader place, but you have other great resources such as email swap, banners. Let's see banners, for example. Another great stuff, if you have a website, as I was saying previously, you can put some banners on your website. You also have video marketing, sell safely, signature, search engine. You know, all these steps are already done, so you don't have to know anything at the moment. No skill required, because it's already done. For the only thing you really need to do is just copy and paste. And by the way, don't stop here. The system is just made in order to help you to get started with affiliate marketing, but don't stop here. Once you done that, once you start to understand what they are doing, you can start to improve yourself by modeling, not just copying, but by modeling, because you're going to learn from there, from this moment. So yeah, that's essentially what you get. You know, you have an account here, you are a lead manager. You know, once you have started to make people to subscribe to your list, you will be able to see all your lead here. You know, it's really like a autoresponder software, and you will be able also to send emails from this website, guys. It's completely free and ready to go today. So let's say you have a ClickBank product and you want to promote it. It's completely possible. You just need to come here, and guess what? Just push on get start button, our get start, and once you do that, you can do another great thing. This is what you get. You just have to put your link here. As I told you, the other cool thing with the system is that even if you don't send yourself follow-up messages to your email list, this software, this website will promote itself for you. It means that if you don't send consistently emails, this system will send, in fact it's already set up to send emails in order to promote your affiliate link, in order to get more people to subscribe. So you don't have to do all the job. I think that as a beginner, it's really helpful. So the other cool thing, it's not something you may decide to get it or not, but I did it, I get it, and I think that it's a good deal. It's that you can get an upgrade for this version for only, I say only $7. And guess what you're gonna get for this amount? I'm gonna show you here. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. Let me share my screen again. So if you decide to upgrade, you're gonna come to the lead lightning system. In fact, this system is very interesting. Why? Because this is what you're gonna get for only, you know, it's a system already done for you. It's fact, it's the previous one, but the previous one was free, and you don't make commissions where people subscribe. You just start to build your list. It's a little bit the same thing, but here you get commissions for when people subscribe to your list, but also these offers get a lot of upsells, meaning that you can make more money by promoting this link. You can make at least 500. So you know, this is what you get for only $7 one time for life. So here's what you get. You get this is the stuff, a ready to go sales funnel. In fact, the sales funnel is already done here. You don't have to buy a sales funnel software. You get a autoresponders. You get what else? A contact manager where you can start to receive emails, send emails to your list, a commission tracking, a traffic tracking. You know, all this stuff is already done for you guys. So I don't know where you are in your affiliate business. If you don't have a lot of cash to take some product like ClickFunnels, Kartra, or many other, I really recommend you to get started with this software. It's completely free. You have nothing to lose. You can decide to stop at any moment you want. But yeah, if you really want to get started with affiliate marketing, it's the right place. If you don't have a great budget, but you want to do something right now, I highly recommend you to get started with this website. In fact, we put the link below. You can check it for yourself. So this is what I want to share with you today, guys, and I hope you learn a lot from this video. Don't forget to check my previous video just here. And yeah, that was Seal for Tremendous Generation. And I say you bye-bye and take care.